Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best electric riding lawn mowers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many electric riding lawn mowers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each electric riding lawn mowers, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying an electric riding lawn mower. First, look at the battery life and charging time, as these determine how long you can mow and how quickly you can get back to work. Next, consider the cutting width and deck size, since this affects how efficiently you can cover large areas. Pay attention to comfort features such as seat quality and steering control, which make long mowing sessions easier. Also, check the power and performance to ensure the mower can handle your yard's terrain. Noise level and maintenance requirements are important too, as electric models are usually quieter and need less upkeep. Finally, always compare prices, warranties, and customer reviews before making your choice. Picking the right electric riding mower means balancing performance, comfort, and value. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.